Doctor, thank you for your time. I'm sure we're going to have an amazing interaction today on stem cells. I did introduce stem cells as a magic wand, so I'm sure it is. And you are a person who have seen in and out of the industry, the way it is growing, and how people are participating in the initiative of stem cells. So, doctor, before we get into much more discussion, let's start with a very basic question. What are stem cells?
Thank you very much for introducing this topic as a magic wand. I've been myself fascinated by stem cells. I've been working on them for the last about 30 years now. And I do believe that they are going to be a magic wand for years to come. I don't know whether you've heard that dialogue that film industry is all about entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. If I have to extrapolate the same dialogue into the medical field, the next decade you'll be hearing only stem cells, and stem cells.
It already sounds magic.
Yeah. So with this opening remark, I'll just give you a brief about what stem cells are. Stem cells are the mother cells. They are the building blocks of the body. They make tissues, they make organs. And if you put a stem cell in a culture plate, it keeps on multiplying and it can form any specialized tissue. Now, these stem cells have the capacity of self-renewal, and they are the master cells, they are the bosses. They are the dawns of medicine, and they can replicate into any tissue. So this is the basis of stem cells. And how are they formed? In the normal human development, you have a sperm and an egg, they meet, they form one cell. This cell is totipotent. That means its potential is total. Now, if one of these cells is put in the mother's uterus, it has the capacity to form one organism, that is a fetus, a child. Right. So this is the basis of stem cells.
Doctor, are there any varieties of stem cells? And if they are, if they're present in the human body, if you can tell me which variety and from where in the human body those come from?
Stem cells are basically divided into two varieties. One is the embryonic stem cells, which are from the blastocyst on the 5th day, and they are the inner cell mass cells. And the other are the adult or the somatic cells. Now, from the somatic cells, we have the cells from the bone marrow, the peripheral blood stem cells, we have the cord blood stem cells, and we have the mesenchymal stem cells. So these are the two forms of stem cells.
Doctor, what are the embryonic stem cells, if you can elaborate a little bit more on that and the potential uses of it?
Embryonic stem cells, like I just mentioned, are stem cells from the blastocyst, which is only 5 days old. Now, from these stem cells, you can have any tissue, whether it's a multipotent, pluripotent, any cell. And the usage are immense. The usage are in drug development, clinical trials, in cancer research, in growth of the normal cell. So the potential is vast, research is vast, and a lot of money, billions of dollars have been pumped into research on embryonic stem cells.